Saka tiri pa independence so celebrate independence chichakaitwa wondo.
Chikaitwa wondo zvisakarwirwa nemagamba edu kurepresenta Zimbabwe. Saka as Zimbabweans we've got to live and stand as one. There is a new beginning that shows the accuracy of God, because He has granted us the privilege and the right to represent ourselves as Zimbabweans. That's what the president of Zimbabwe is complimenting everyone for a happy independence. Rangarira magamba ngori kwenda ground unokwenda ground ke ndio vanhu vasina kuenda kuground vasitumbudzo chichiitika nhasi chingani
ko asi mudhara anoita zvemusic
inini toita zvekuisa paYouTube.
Alright.
Ndoita zvemusic futi.
Alright.
unonoka utaura uri paYouTube wakabata mari masara mabhiya mangaki mukati
yakabata mabhondi azikani
ari pamamunye
tobata izvireka ndibate mapula ndikude futi yakabata mapula
sachitsvaga fodya panapa
uya
Saka
Saka we as friends, we want to celebrate independence, saying kuti long live President Mugabe. We will stand as one ghetto youth. We are stand up forever for our rights. We are Zimbabweans. Cut.
ayo but aunotaura kuti nyika yakawinwa sei.
I said cut. Nyika yakavhirwa nanaPionyando sekuti kagui. Bonds are rising. That's why I have this. This is an inscription of what is happening at the moment. Cut.
Saka unoti pese paunongotaura tobva tamira.
Andikana kamera ndinofanira zvanenge taura ni.
Aiwa usiriyo director.
Saka iwe saka video unoita iwe ndakaita video niyo ndotoshaya mari kana Michael Jackson handisi kutombo. Ndida kukunda Michael Jackson zvokuti zvakutoita izvo zvokutononokera. You end your career, Mad Minox. You end your own career because Mason is surviving free and I'm drinking. This is independent. My pastor kachora satochke.
Hapana.
Hapana.
straight
Hapana.
pastor kachora.
We are surviving in the Golden Army with our Chinese friends. Why is there? This is look East policy. As you don't break, this is because my China animal obligations is it's better for us to learn from them. What is it? You can learn from someone abroad. If he takes his mind into your own mind, you will be a better somebody.
So far, what have you learned from the Chinese?
I've learned a lot.
Like
the new building at KFC. It's nice, you see.
But see, that new building is causing floods.
Floods?
Yeah.
Did we have any?
Any
reported the floods in Bari? You can say anything. That is nothing.
We saw pictures of floods and it was reported.
It's a lie. It's a booby trap. That's Changira. You want me to talk politics?
Yes, talk politics.
Yeah, you can call him. I want him straight away. Then we have a booby trap of killing him with Makandiwa.
Makandiwa kwana baba.
They are friends together. They are making booby traps for me. My niniga, Indio yakakwana Changira. You should know me. Yeah. Cut.
Alright, mira kandite cut. Kara huko cut. Ami, ona manje.